You know what? My fence is out of square. Can you see that it's tighter here than over here? And that is dangerous because as the piece works through, it gets cut, but then it's pinching it down here. That's not good. Not good if it goes the direction that I have mine right now. So before I cut anything on that, I am going to adjust this thing. Let's see. I have to remind myself how to adjust it. I need an Allen wrench. Let's see if this is the right one. It is. Yeah, we're still. Not very scientific here, but mostly just want it to be close enough. There we go. All right, it's good enough for now. Since I've adjusted that, now I need to adjust the tape as well, or the indicator on the tape, because that's no longer going to be in the exact same place as it was before. All right.